Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is YLAM here. In today's tip, what I want to talk about is how I start my vlogs. And one thing that I really like to do is I actually like to park really far away so I can kind of get to know the place so that I can kind of see where I want to start my vlog. And I can also start thinking about where I want to end my vlog. Parking far away kind of allows me to do that so that I can kind of see what's going on. Like this place right here, there isn't really a whole lot of people, so it's really easy to vlog, but there is a lot of residential area, so there could potentially be a lot of people. But when you're actually doing stuff outside, you definitely want a little bit of room so that, say you have a spot that you really want to vlog in, but there's people there. Well, if you park further away, you can kind of give them a chance to clear away, and then you can kind of find a moment in which it's easy. Like right here, right behind me is the bourbon facility. It looks really nice. So I might start here to start my vlog, and this is kind of a good area to start it. And then I can actually do it real quick and then move on. You can also at this point kind of figure out where you want to end your vlog, because those are the two big things that you want to plan out, because you can plan those out. All right, the bourbon facility that I'm visiting today is called Town Branch. This looks like a pretty new facility. It looks very modern. It's right behind me, right over here. And then there's the tour building right behind me as well. So we're gonna get in there. We're gonna go ahead and register. I'm kind of early, so I'm going to go ahead and just kind of mosey around. All right, so the sun is going down. I just did my outro. I kind of planned it out ahead of time at the very beginning of the vlog. So I just got done with the tour and I went ahead and did the vlog, which is super nice. So it's something that you can definitely plan for in your vlogs, to be able to know where you want your outro to be, and you just hop over there when it's free and then just do your vlog and then you're done. So that is my tip. Always plan out your beginnings and your ends. All right. Just got done with the tour and everything, and it was a really good tour actually. If you like sampling beer and bourbon, this is definitely the place to go, because you get 4 tokens and you can sample either the beer or the bourbon. I would actually recommend going with the beer because you get much more to drink than the bourbon, and it was really good. They make some really good beer over here. It's definitely worth coming out. The tour itself is kind of simple, but you know what? Doesn't matter, because you get to sample all of the product and you get 4 tokens, and it's really nice. So I definitely recommend coming out to Town Branch. Doesn't seem very busy, but the tours do seem to fill up, and they were really good. I was happy to come down here and definitely get some bourbon and try some of their beers. I'm a fan of 2 new beers now, so that's kind of cool.